In this video, we are going to look at how to use a multimeter to do a diode test. So take your favorite multimeter, look for the diode symbol. Okay, where it is on the meter, it totally depends on your meter, but you want the symbol. You will probably have to select the diode function by turning a knob or pushing a button or whatever. You'll have to figure that out. Okay? And then you're able to test the diode. So we're just talking just standard silicon diodes here. Okay, you can't test Zener diodes this way. There are testers readily available, but yeah. So anyway, the red lead goes to the anode. The black lead, the COM port, goes to the cathode. Okay, there's what it looks like. There's the diode symbol. And at that point then, you're looking for something in this range. Okay. Now, in others of my videos, then when it talked about the actual diode curve in the forward bias region, we talked about the knee. Okay, this is the knee. This is the point where the diode, all diode, is assumed to be fully turned on. But this line here, it's a little bit of variability in here because it's changing. So what that really means is that depending on the current through it, the diode will start to turn on somewhere around 0.56, could be a little lower, right? But somewhere in that range. But it's fully turned on by 0.7 volts. So you're looking for a reading there, okay? Looking for a number. When you reverse bias it, then look, you just flip the orientation around, right? And now you're down in this portion of the curve, the reverse bias portion, and you want the resistance, if the diode is good, to be very high. Okay, so this resistance is ideally going to be infinite. Okay, your meter might show OL. This means out of range. It should not be interpreted as overload. It's a personal pet peeve. That is so wrong. We're not blowing fuses here. It's not an overload. It's out of range, which means the resistance of the diode is beyond the readings of the meter. Now, I haven't seen this for quite a few years, but sometimes I've seen old Radio Shack meters used to show 40. I don't know why, but I haven't seen that for 25 years. So basically, if it's good, forward bias, you're getting like a reading. If it's reverse bias, it's probably going to show a 1 or infinite. 1 means it's infinite, okay? And that's just because of the very high resistance across the diode which the meter is trying to measure. Okay? All right. Thank you for watching. Cheers. Bye.